Here's how to check blocked FaceTime callers on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, scroll down until you get to Apps. Tap on that, and now tap the F or scroll down to the F section to find FaceTime. Tap on FaceTime, scroll down all the way to the very bottom. You can see right here, blocked contacts. Tap on that. There's 13 unknown blocked contacts. These are the numbers here. You can add more at any time by clicking on that plus and adding a phone number or an email. Or if you get calls from numbers, you can just block them as they come in. If I tap on any one of these, I can unblock them as well and share the contact. And that's how we find which callers are blocked on your FaceTime app. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which will show you how to secure your iPhone. It's very important that you watch this video, and I'll see you there.